In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Chime to Navy Federal. Whether you're managing your finances or simply need to move funds between your accounts, this straightforward process will make it easy for you. First, grab your mobile device and open the Chime app. If you don't have it already installed, you can easily download it from your app store. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Move Money section. Here, you'll find various options to handle your finances. What you're looking for is the option to transfer money from other banks. Tap on that and we'll move on to the next step. Now, before you proceed, it's crucial to ensure that your Navy Federal account is already linked to your Chime account. This linkage is what allows the transfer to happen smoothly. If you haven't linked it yet, don't worry. You can easily do so by selecting the option that says Link your external account. Follow the prompts, which will guide you through logging into your Navy Federal account securely. This process is important to ensure both accounts can communicate with each other. Once you have your Navy Federal account linked, return to the transfer screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to choose your Chime account as the sender or the From account and your Navy Federal account as the receiver or the To account. This setup ensures the money moves in the right direction. Next, decide how much money you want to transfer. Enter the amount carefully. It's always a good idea to double-check this figure to avoid any mistakes. Once you're confident about the amount, tap on Transfer. The app might prompt you to confirm the transaction. This is just a security measure to ensure everything is accurate. Take a moment to review the details and then confirm. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Chime account to your Navy Federal account. It's a simple process, but it's always good to take a moment to make sure everything is correct, especially when dealing with finances. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made managing your accounts a bit easier. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it. Have a great day.